I'm removing these switches, and there's another one here. It's four-legged, and I need actually to first put some more soldering in there to kind of couple the two legs on each side and unmelt them first at the same time, basically. Okay, so you can see there's extra soldering that I added, and then I'm going to use a small screwdriver, insert it in between the switch and the board, and pry on the one side that I'm unsoldering. Just try to lift the switch gently so you don't break it. Maybe just go little by little. Feel you need to unsolder both legs on that side first. You can actually undo both sides if there is enough soldering. Let's try this way. It's a bit stuck in there, I think. It's coming. Ideally, you don't want to break the part. I'm not sure mine that didn't break yet. Not sure why it's stuck in there. The other one came out very easy. Oops, here you go. Where is it? Did it go someplace? That's it. So it's 4 pins. It's just where that we placed this on the side actually. But this is very easy way to solder them. Put extra solder so you can melt all legs at the same time, or at least one side, and then just try to remove one side, then the other side, hit it, and it should be working.